Good afternoon, everybody. It's two chefs, one mission. This is Chef Walzy. I am usually accompanied with my partner in brine, Chef Jimmy. But Chef Jimmy, as you well know, is back. And hey, look at my hair sticking up like that. Oh, I'm gonna wash that gray right out of my hair. Just kidding, it doesn't come out. But anyway, Chef Jimmy is in New York taking care of some business. He's trying to get his house fixed up and ready to be on the market to be sold, to get sold. And while he was here, they had a storm go through up there, and it did a lot of damage to his house. So he's been having to do a lot of repairs since he's been back. And he's got a pretty good sized house there, and he's got a second balcony. See my shadow? Hey, shadow puppets. Hey, it's just bad lighting today. It's just going to be a quick video, so I'm not too worried about it. But he's got a second balcony on his house, and it's about 18 foot. The height of it is, and his dog Leo decided to take a plunge off that earlier. He dove off of it for some reason. I don't know, but Jimmy's at the animal hospital right now with Leo, and hopefully Leo's going to be okay. So Jimmy's pretty worried, but any prayers you can send to Leo and Jimmy would be greatly appreciated. So he's got enough on his plate. He has to worry about his dog taking the plunge. I mean, that's crazy. So, but like I said, while he's in New York, I'm going to be here just doing behind the scenes work, so everything is can get set up and it'll be a little easier for us to transition once he gets back to start doing the videos and the podcasts and without any hesitations or quirks, but that's always going to happen. But just bear with us, ladies and gentlemen. And for all of you guys who have tuned in so far, commented, liked, follow us, we greatly appreciate it. So any ideas, any comments, concerns, whatever, just let us know. Reach out to us. We're just starting this up, so it's going to take some time, but we'll get there. So um, got our Facebook page done today. You can like and follow us on Facebook. Every Monday night at 5 o'clock, we're going to have our on Spotify. We're going to have our podcast. Every Tuesday night at 5 o'clock, we'll have a video on our YouTube channel that you can check out, and I'll be posting links to all that stuff on our sites as well, so you can find it, as well as our Facebook page has some contact information where you can get a hold of us as well. So, but I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday. A little cooking today, nothing special. I got some meatloaf in the oven, homemade mashed potatoes, carrots, and I'm going to throw in some homemade biscuits. So nothing serious, but good food, good comfort food, so we're excited about that. I know Lori is. She likes meatloaf. So, and so do I. It's our comfort food. It's our go-to, I guess. So, um, but anyway, I'm not going to keep this long. Everybody take care. If you have any questions, reach out to us, and we will get up and running as soon as possible and as soon as Jimmy gets back from New York, hopefully with Leo in great shape. So this is Chef Walzy with two chefs, one mission. Chef Jimmy sends his love and says hi, and we'll see you guys soon. Take care, everybody. Have a blessed Tuesday and stay safe out there. Thank you so much.